Unlock next-level pleasure with the Nest Toys Royale P-Spot Pleasure. Designed to make P-Spot exploration easier, more comfortable, and way more exciting. This USB rechargeable massager features an easy-to-insert shape and a flexible, body-safe silicone build that moves with you for maximum comfort. What makes it truly stand out? The come-hither motion head, perfect for stimulating the prostate exactly where it counts. With 10 powerful vibration functions and a remote control for effortless play, the Royale P-Spot Pleasure offers a customizable experience, whether you're flying solo or handing over the controls to a partner. Plus, it's splash-proof and whisper-quiet for discreet, worry-free fun. To get the best out of your new favorite toy, make sure to charge it fully before your first use. And grab some water-based lube to enhance every thrilling sensation. After playtime, cleaning is simple with toy cleaner or mild antibacterial soap. Whether you're new to P-Spot Play or looking to add a high-quality, feature-packed massager to your collection, the Royale P-Spot Pleasure is here to deliver the royal treatment, smooth, powerful, and seriously satisfying.